Welcome to Nand to Infinity. In this video, we will be discussing OR gates. The first kind of OR gate we will be discussing is the inclusive OR gate, or simply the OR gate. And it returns true if either or both of its inputs are true, as you can see on the truth table over there. It is created by inputting both of the inputs to a NAND gate, thereby creating an OR gate. And it's therefore taking 3 NAND gates to create. On the other hand, there's the exclusive OR gate, which returns true if only one of its inputs is true. The way you make it is you have, and with its logic truth table over there, truth table is over there. The way you make an exclusive OR gate is you realize that it's true where both the OR gate and the NAND gate are both true. Therefore, you do the AND operation on the output of both on all of the inputs and the NAND of the inputs, thereby requiring 6 logic gates, NAND gates. Thank you for watching.